Hello, good evening, my people. Please, I come out this evening, come talk some kind issue where they happen for our country, Nigeria. In fact, Edo State mostly, because it don't too much. It don't too much for our people, our guests, our boys, and some so-called madam. Where I come out this evening be say, because of all those frustrated girls who they come on live, who they come live video, all those frustrated girls who they come make live video, they share message for WhatsApp. Now, because of them, make me come out this evening. When they complain about the madam, see the madam they call them, the madam brother they call them, then madam sister they call them, and so on. And because of them, make me come do this live video. I thank the Monoba of Edo State for the thing we do, because our girls don't bring our name down. All the name of human trafficking. They spoil our country name, our city name, our state name. Before I go face those girls, I first thank the Monoba of Edo State for the good work they do for Benin and the ones they don't do. Because I love so much what the Monoba of Benin do. Because for Benin now, girls almost they finish for Benin. Any girl by me say Benin, any small breast come out, they go say they want carry her enter Europe. Go do it in prostitution. Any small pikin the newborn, as far as na boy, the next thing we go to think now which court in one go join. So I thank the Monoba for this great work we do. I love the work so much. I love the work so much what the Monoba do. But make our guests wey be say they don't cross already, wey madam don't carry the cross already. Please, may not stop to the fool in herself. May not stop to the fool in herself for Facebook and for WhatsApp. Why I also be say because I don't see more than 1,000 video and audios where our guests they share. Say their mother they call them, they threaten them, they do this one. Why she not go threaten you? If it's easy to carry person enter abroad, why your family no carry enter abroad? Or why you no carry yourself cross? Instead for you to find way to settle to make peace with the mother will carry cross or with the other will carry cross, you come Facebook they fool yourself, they fool your family, they fool the person will carry you come. The person will carry you come, be free to carry you come. Now money is spent, they will take carry you come. Why not find way to make peace with the person? There's so many ways to make peace without you coming online, going to make fool of your generation. Okay, you now as a useless girl, where they carry come for abroad, where they carry come for Nigeria, sorry. You have to say, before they carry come for Nigeria, not settle for Nigeria, say, see what you want to do? Or see how much you want to pay? Okay, fine. I'm not about to make them free now. But that means say, man, you're taken for granted. The person you carry come for Nigeria, about to do for you. Don't mean about to do for you. Because you agree on your own. Say, you want to travel abroad. You know what you're going to do. Now, prostitution. And I agree say she go pay. Say you go pay her. She must tell you the price. How much you pay her. So you as Oba tell say, okay, may I stop to they pay that money. May they pay that money. May they do my traffic. May they do countries. Why you not call you the madam or the oga wey carry cross? Now settle everything in a peaceful way. Or if na good thing she do for you, or if na good thing do for you, you as a human being. If you be human being, because if you come out on Facebook and make all this nonsense, you are an animal. I don't call you human being, because if you come out on Facebook and make useless call, make useless live video, make useless audio, share for WhatsApp and Facebook, you be animal. You don't get conscience. Okay, why you not call the madam? Or now this people sit and say, madam, see please, I don't know if he pay you, but I go thank you for what you do for me. So now you know what you take the madam. Where carry more for that suffering where you did for Nigeria before. If you easy to cross, why you no cross? Why you no cross yourself? Enter abroad. Fine, we all there against human trafficking. But let me say you go call a free yourself, a free your generation. For Facebook or for WhatsApp. They share audio, they share video. Which kind of low life you be? How stupid are you? Call the madam. Or if you don't feel call the madam, or anybody will feel call for our family, make peace with them. That's how madam, I will give you social to thank you. Nobody say they pay you, but just to thank you for the good way you do for me. That common sense, you don't get out. You don't get that common sense to say, okay, make peace with the family of the woman or with the woman where carry come. Now Facebook will make peace with you. Really, they go to the mother do, they good. It's good for all of us, But when the woman carry your mother there, call the woman, make peace with her. That's it, man, I beg. I don't know if he pay you for this thing because I don't want to make you die or may I die for the swear of mother swear. Fine, you talk to her, she can understand. You say you call a make fool of yourself, your generation for Facebook. They share audio when you get hurt. Why family not carry a cross into abroad if you know so easy on so easy to get the money? Why don't you carry a cross? Why don't you carry a self cross? Why? They don't carry a cross which now you come abroad, you don't carry more for that, you don't carry more for that village, that poverty, that hell where you did. Because you don't enter abroad now, you don't feel buy one small phone where be say no be phone, they make live video. They talk rubbish to the talk. None is that common sense. They make Facebook, they make live video because of Madam Matter. Person will help you carry more for poverty, carry more for suffering, carry more for village. The person can do. Well, I say the person be doing to make profit. Fine. No business the person do for this life. Where you put money, no say no go expect gain from it. But not be human trafficking. Human trafficking, we are all against human trafficking. But there are so many ways to solve the issue. Don't say you're going to make live video, they make fool of your generation for the year. In fact, any girl will not pay madam again. When she continue to do prostitution, now thought I go fire around. Any girl will not pay her madam again, when madam let her go. She continue with her prostitution. Now go back and kill the girl. Or woman. Good evening, our wife. But let's put the verse. Any girl where be say, madam, let go, let her go. She not pay madam again, but she continue with the position. Now go back go kill the girl or the woman. Because our girls hold on too much. You just come on, let's go make live video, go make video, begin to share. They say they mention the woman name, they mention where she come from. Or go kill you. When the woman carry you, you make live video. When you did your village is far, you don't think they call live video? Because of Obama gives an opportunity now, now can make foolish of themselves. Now they show now can they do. Now we see get shame. Now see they come out, they show their ugly face. When I day village, now don't they call internet? Now if you can come abroad, now don't know TV phone, now don't know TV internet. Now because they make useless video call. They saw the woman where help na carry more for that low life when I fed day before. When I go try to when I go try to make peace with the woman or the man where help now because I help the person be say me help now. When I say Canada say because you want me to pay 100 of 40 take Canada. We are there against that, but don't say nobody person be do. Because if na feel free, say na feel if you say Oba of Benin, don't do what you do. It is feel free. Now for see from there, they help na family they go. Huh? Now they reason all those things. Which can bring a girl for head? Oba free now, but that prostitution now stop the prostitution. As Oba say come and no pay. Now stop the prostitution. Now stop road work. Now stop to the go club, go to carry different 100 men in a day. Now stop am. Now continue the work. I mean, not continue the work. Make talk that fire now for head for dear. Anyone be say yes, madam say free, and she stop the work. God go bless her. God go bless her. Good husband and good job. But anyone be say continue the work. Say madam say free, and she still continue the work. Now go back go kill the girl or the woman. Now go back go kill the girl or the woman. When we say she no pay madam, but madam set her free. She still continue the work, the prostitution work. Now go back go kill her. How now just come now, just look say best person help now. He can't come for one poverty, one low life. Can't enter abroad. Now because they make fool of themselves because of bashman no pay. Fine, about the way. But I'm saying that they take the full generation they go. If you used to enter abroad, one and enter on our own. One in a family local and enter. Yes, one in a family local and enter. I thank God for the Oba. I thank the Oba so much for what the Oba do. Because all those madam, don't let young boys see girls they might get for Benin. They're going to take human trafficking as number one job. Our boys going to take Curtis as he say they give award for Curtis. Those land development something of 14. Don't let person go out go to build house again. Go say I'm building a small company. No, they don't let the person do the still again. I thank the Lord for all those things. I really thank him so much. Guys, please, man, not abuse anything enter in our hands. Because this they don't become abuse. The abuse not going to put abuse this small opportunity where give them now. Huh? Now abuse not going to abuse all those things. Your boss man no pay. Okay, don't. Man, I'm gonna say, I got to do this now. Let's have to use Kuma to the woman. Say, madam, I beg, thank you. I don't know what to talk about. Thank you for what you do for me, but you tell about talk. So, but madam, I don't want to make any happen to you or make it happen to me. So, madam, please, I don't feel pay you money, but I go thank you for what you do for me. Finish. Madam, finish for there. Go and make video. This someone they call the woman name. They live for some place. They live for there. They live for here. They live for Australia. They live for Italy. They live for Germany. They live for Belgium or whatever. They mention name, they mention everything about her. I'm going to punish you. Why not call yourself travel? If easy to travel. Why your family not carry travel? When you're in Nigeria, nothing they call live video. Nothing they call a camera phone. Nothing they call internet when you're in Nigeria or Africa, any part of Africa. So they don't carry cross finish now. You Go make live video, they food the person website if you can't for that poverty. Instead for you to find way to thank the woman or the boy or the man or whatever. They come live video, they mention her name. They go WhatsApp, they mention her name, they mention her address. They sometimes some video, they give you the woman phone number. How stupid are you? They say common sense no common. Really? Your brain now brain now that leg now brain day. How they use my brain, they do things. For the woman, or the man, or the boy, if you gather money, if you make it carry you come on for what you did. But not be better thing the person they do. But in they input that money to make profit. Before you get that money, you need to pass through different things before you make that money. Before you carry come for where you fed there before. You know these other ones. You like say okay, you like say you force yourself, so you know you pay again. But that position, have you stop it or did you stop it? Or are you going to stop it? Not that same position you want start, you want continue. And if you got that position, I'll go punish you. Now go back will kill you if you control prostitution. As far as madam set you free, or set you free. Any woman, any girl, you control prostitution. Now go back will kill her. As I say, you don't pay madam don't let you go. Madam let you go, set you free. But you control prostitution. Now go back will kill you. And so shall it be. No get you to stop him. If you go up your leg for any Oyibo man, any black man say, as I said, they won't pay you. Now there you go. That will be your last day on this earth. Any day when you say you go say you go put your leg for prostitution. As I say, you don't pay madam set you free. About me, they let you go. They let you go. And then you go up your election, you don't work for money. Now that you go die. Now go back and kill that day. Madam, Abbas me no pay. Now they happy. Madam call you, they make noise. Oh, madam brother call you, they make noise. But if they go, you don't make it to continue prostitution. And if you continue prostitution, I'll go back and kill you. No get to the whole land. Let me talk am. Unless you stop that prostitution, go find a new job, find man marry, settle down with. Now you go there free. But say you're control prostitution, now go back and kill that day. Prostitution must stop in Edo State. You don't get option. Countries must stop in Edo State. You don't have any option. Human trafficking must stop. And those toggery called land development certificate, it must stop. You don't have any option. You don't have option. You think investment mostly because those useless girls. We say one mother or one boy carry come up for poverty. They cause they make live video, they insult the person, they call the name, they swear for her, they do different things. God go punish you. What if you carry yourself travel come from the country? Come on Ghana, come on Cameroon, where they in Nigeria. You fit travel go. If you fit travel go Lagos, without say person give you transport fare. Those travel how many miles? Come from Nigeria. Travel come out. Before you come from Nigeria, they don't tell you can't work what you want go do. They don't tell you how much you want pay. You're gonna make fool of yourself for Facebook or for WhatsApp. Huh? Hello, good evening. Hello? Hello?
Good evening, brother.
Good evening, our wife. How about you?
Hello.
Hello, good evening, our wife.
Good evening, bros.
How about you now?
Bros, you get what I won't tell you when you identify. You get what I want to tell you when you sit and do live video. Maybe you have to do this one.
Because
they live today.
Everybody they hear you.
Guys now they don't go for Libya. For them to go out to Nigeria now, they not go fit go out.
Make them carry themselves go back. Make them carry themselves go back. Make them carry themselves go back.
You still talking now, so that people will see here.
They hear you now. Everybody hear you now. Everybody they hear you. Everybody they hear you.
You see you that they do live video because now one of live video presenter now he talk just now almost she don't already tired. She come just call me say yeah we need to talk this one also. Then now say make I call you, make you still talk because girls for Libya now. They stranded for there. The madams when you carry them reach there, they say they not go cross them again because of the something when they ground. I don't understand.
Yeah.
How those girls, how they go back to Nigeria now? They will come to talk.
My dear sister, if to say the madam or the guy who can reach Libya, say he can enter here. They will say they make live video for those who are ahead. So if those who see they don't feel cross. They come live video, they make all those stupid video, all stupid audio, they share for WhatsApp or for Facebook. If they say also feel cross, they will see the same thing. But since they feel say it's easy, may they can't themselves go back. You understand me? Because people wait they
brother, how you cut off for that one? Brother, how you cut off for that one? Make you still talk and make help if they will see here for Nigeria, make them see here for Nigeria because Madam will be carried the come IT again because why they already cost put. Nobody go fit do that one.
Now so
even you when they talk, you know fit do it. Even me when they talk to you now, no go fit do it again. I don't understand.
Now so the other thing say make those one in Libya, make they call their family with those one in Libya, make they call their family with Africa. So make the family Africa, make them help them, or make they call government. Really, as a friend, the government should go and carry them. Thank you very much, my brother Napoleon. A friend of somebody come and say, he said the government should go and should go and help them. I carry them, and really make a call government or make the Oba of Benin make it do something, because if those who they Libya, if they cry out, the Oba of Benin go still hear them. You understand me? The Oba of Benin go hear them because
yeah, because the person when it might be that one, like you get one of our video presenter today when still talking, because she says she's still tired, but she will still on the issue on Sunday, but she can't pick call my name. I don't feel on that live video talker. As they do live video this evening, and I say, may I still tell you, may she present the matter. Because all those one now they stranded for Libya. Because no madam now will carry the gun, because
nobody will carry
the region across the gun. You go still kill the madam as they take sweat the juju.
Now so
I don't understand me.
Now so
that will be the problem now.
My sister, really, if God forbid bad thing, I don't have to do human trafficking. For my life, I'm not going to do human trafficking. So if they say about the food put safe, me I will not do. Not to carry me to, because now bad thing, not better thing. You understand me? But as the thing be so, those who they Libya, when we say never quick they enter, if they feel find money, make them work on their own. If they feel also for their own, take cross, enter Europe, thank God for them. If they don't feel cross, they call their family for house, make them go back to Nigeria. Because so many Baba will be saying that for Benin before, Oba don't put an end. They put full stop to them. You understand? Make them go back there, go continue life, go continue their life. You understand me? So make them go back, make them go back, go find life for there. Life in Nigeria, not say life not in Nigeria. Now they make things there for us, and our useless politicians. Then they make things there for our country. So I want the monobar fee cost, the same cost to politicians. Say any politician will enter power, when they do good work, make that the same ojuju or whatever, may kill them. But then you go see Nigeria go change. You understand me? But those ones be say don't quit the cross, enter Libya. May they find a way to go back, or if he easy, may they cross themselves. Because if I see the mother say, okay, make it help them for free, carry them cross. Those ones, they don't mind, because they do the kind of stupidity where those who don't cross, they do.
No, madam, that one now, there is no madam is going to help those girls to cross down to Italy now. Never.
You understand?
Everybody should use it to make live videos, let people know about it, that there are some girls there, they are stranded because their madam refused to take them, and because the cost is already there. Like me, if I'm a madam also, I can't try that because the cost is already there. Then for them to go back to Nigeria now, it will be very difficult for them because they don't have money.
It will be very difficult because
Africa, if they have money, then maybe 2 years we don't hear
at all.
The matter.
At all.
Do you understand?
At all. So, but the thing is, make the all right, thank you very much.
Make people see here because we don't already talk around. Make us no pay game, make us waka. The one we they live there now. I don't they will take go back to Nigeria now. And they go they talk. No be how they will take cross come Libya.
So
because he get peace. Because most guys for them now that they say they're just stranded and they need help. If you can make this live video now, maybe tomorrow other people will make the same live video also, so that the Oba of Benin will hear it and the so that they will still talk about that. If not to say government go there, maybe they go use flight carry there. Yeah, because I don't really understand.
But just about it, government no agree go do. As far as the problem in the Libya, government no agree go carry them. Government no agree go because
those guys now they will go there where they will feel work money take cross.
So that's on that problem. It work now. It now when Libya be Libya, if a few work money take cross. But Libya now everywhere don't spoil. You understand me? So it is not when Libya be Libya, if a few work money take cross. So now Libya no be Libya again.
Okay.
You understand me? So
now that one now, how they will take cross now? Now people will they talk now.
The matter go hard. All over the road. All over the road go matter go hard. Because it say the family get money. That's all for try to assist the men when they cross finish. I'm gonna go back to Nigeria. But as we say, maybe because there's so many poor people. Obviously, they come from village. Obviously, they don't really want to eat from their house.
When they
Many of them did there.
when they don't even get money first.
You understand? Many did there. And don't if you look go through Facebook now, most of these people they do us live video, they insult madam, they call their name, say because of asking they don't pay again, so they insult them madam. Most of them are part of those people who say they don't feel the seafood they eat from Nigeria. You understand me? It's a big problem.
Yeah.
So I believe say we go still beg the Oba really as my friend comment. He say we are going to beg the Oba really. Let's we'll still beg the Oba. If again he help say the Oba fit help them, or if he make talk to government, so government go fit go bring them come back. Because really, what else madam they do, not be better thing. We don't support the what madam to do.
We have right now because if we don't do that, those guys they will stranded there, and I don't really know. Because most of those guys that is there now, their family cannot afford that money. Before they from Nigeria to Libya, it's not their family that take them there. It's the state trafficking that take them there. If they want to come back now, it's expensive.
Madam no give them money. Madam no give them money to go back. That one what no go happen.
No, madam no figure because madam give money now. The cost when they see cost.
You go affect her. You understand?
Everybody will run for cost.
Everybody run for cost. And those guests now, most of them don't see them cross now. They don't receive all those many things. You understand? Because madam will carry.
Do you know when the Oba announced this thing, everybody is happy.
Yes, of course.
In our place, we use it to make parable that in Harmattan season, everybody leak by their tails. Yeah. Now, most people that is here in Europe now, they are happy. They don't even think. They don't even cry for their sister in Libya. That is it. That is life. All we are going to do now, we need to voice it out so that the Oba will still know that there is some guests in Libya, they are frustrated right now. The madam, there is no way the madam will head them
at all
to Europe or head them go back to Nigeria. It's not going to be possible because the cost is already there.
You understand?
Yeah.
So really, we have to voice out. So make the Oba or our government may do something about those people because government no go do something. Why I say so? Because government no government send them and no problem for right now. To say problem in Libya, now government goes okay, may go to rescue them. Like during time when they say they said them. But now this one now Oba 9 close road. So now Oba go sing try more plead to the Oba. Now go sing beg the Oba. May sing talk to government. Make they go carry those people come back because now it put an end to those trafficking, which is a good work and a nice job done. You understand me? So we go still call the government, may they plead. You know, the Oba of Edo, may they plead. We'll plead with our may talk to government. Make help them, help them carry those girls because those people who they already now the children. Because we are all the children of the Oba of Benin. So we'll plead with our may talk to government, make government go carry the children where they Libya, come back house.
Yeah.
You understand me? So that's what you can do.
Yeah.
So thank you very much.
Brother, thank you very much. And you still use this one now. You still add it to your video because it's the same cakes, it's the same matter. You add it on your video also so that people out there, they will still know that our sisters, they are all stranded there in Libya. They need help as well. I think you hear, brother. Still add it on your video now. Let me leave you so that the rest people, they will put their opinion, okay?
All right, thank you very much.
Bye, thank you very much.
All right, bye.
Bye.
So, my people, please, as we all hear, and really, me don't think, I don't think as I say about Apo they were just trying for Libya. Now, good idea, good thought. Now this lady bring come out home because when I come out this evening, because those girls where they come and make live video, they talk rubbish. They insult madam, they swear for madam, they say they call madam name, they call madam address, everything and so on. Madam will carry come for abroad, carry come for Nigeria, enter abroad. No bad thing should be do. At all. No bad thing should be do. Now to help you, in fact, to help your generation. But I thank the Oba of Benin for what he do. Well, my brother, so really, the Oba Benin have done a great job. So we no fit say it is left for the family of the girls that are stranded in Libya. We no fit talk down because they still need our help. Because madam no go gree go back to Libya, go carry them go back to Nigeria, or continue, make dem continue their job, then journey. That is not possible. You understand me? That is not possible. Madam no go continue. She no fit continue again because if she continue, that swear wey Oba swear, e go affect her. She no fit escape am. She no go fit escape the swear wey the Oba swear put. So the best thing be say make the girl, all the girls, all the boys, anyone wey dey Libya, wey be say na person be dey carry come for. Because if they say they wey dey carry boys, the boys go pay, the boys go come dey pay them. No be like girls dey carry. They dey carry boys. If you no know before, me you dey know now. So the boy go come pay the madam or the oga wey carry am. But they no dey charge the boys, they dey charge the girls. So thank God for the Oba wey put an end to human trafficking, or to prostitution, or to cultists, and so on. I thank God for the Oba. I really appreciate those work. The problem now be say wey dey ground, those people wey dey stranded for Libya, how we fit raise our voice wey go reach Oba hand or the government hand so that they go take rescue those people wey say dey Libya, or dey stranded for Libya? Because most of them, their family no dey fit eat 3 square meal a day, even 2 sef in a day. Not to go say to see extra money, say go give those who dey Libya, make dem come back to Nigeria, or make dem continue their journey to Europe. So abeg, if you any means wey you fit raise your voice to reach the authority or the Monarch of Edo State to take go rescue those who dey stranded for Libya, abeg try to do your best to raise your voice to reach the authorities to go rescue those people wey dey Libya. And those guys wey dey fit cross, wey dey go dey make useless live video, dey insult person wey be say help me carry come for that darkness wey I fit dey before. Those who dey make live video, dey make audio for WhatsApp. Make I stop those rubbish. Make I stop those rubbish. If na madam corner or anyone wey corner among the person wey carry na enter, make I use na brain how to make peace with the person. Na fit say okay, for example, na fit say because say Oba so say anybody wey collect money say this thing, say na fit say okay, person go do something, na fit say no go affect now, e go affect now. Man fit say